Okay, so we're going to enter the two-bedroom model, and Chase is always so nice. He already opened it up for us, and we're going to take a look. Okay, so this is the B1, so this is the starting two-bedroom, and this kitchen is just, I really like it. It just feels very luxurious. So let's check out the kitchen because it's just right on to the left over here. So similar brown cabinets with those big handles, which I absolutely love. This countertop seems different, and I like it as well. It's got more kind of whitish with brown specks and some maybe dark light brown specks. I'm not sure, but anyway, it's really cute. It's got also the really pretty large and small sink here too, and it's got one of those pull handles, so that's really good. It's got a really cute backsplash. I like that as well. And then there is space over there for your bar stools, so we'll explore that in just a minute. What I'm seeing too is a lot of storage space, so great amount of cabinets here. These are tall too, so they're not only tall, but then there's some space that's above there, so you could actually store more things if you needed to. But there's really so much cabinet space, I don't think you're gonna need it. You've also got all your appliances, Whirlpool here, and they all look pretty. One thing I like about this too is I think that there's plenty of space for appliances like coffee machines or smoothie machines or things like that, and then also space to really cook. You can cook here, you can chop, you can do all sorts of stuff. So this is a great entertainment kitchen. Now, when I'm looking over here, and this is actually, I mean, wow, this is really, really large pantry, and it goes far back too. So this, you could put a lot of food in here. My goodness. So great, huge plus. So that's that. Now, if we look over here, this is, I'm betting, yep, my friend Chase opened this up, and this is a great washer dryer all ready to go. And then it's got those shelves that are above. So nice. I love it when that's included. It's so important to have.
So this is HVAC.
Oh, okay,
so
HVAC.
It's locked in this one.
All right, no worries. And then you can see the hardwood here. It's a cute hardwood. It's muted. It's not shiny. It's just basic, and I think it would go with pretty much anything. Okay, so over here, you've got actually 3 rather large chairs that are here. This could easily fit 4, in my opinion, but there's 3 chairs. And so this island, if you fit 4, you wouldn't even really need this kitchen table, but you do have it because you've got space for it. There's just really a lot of space here. There's also space over here, and I guess if you had the 3 or 4 chairs, you'd need something kind of like this mirror. But this is a nice kind of wall to use as well for some other things. You could have maybe a short kind of buffet table maybe here too. All right, so over here, I also noticed that the bedrooms are totally separate. So if you are with a roommate, you're on the other side, and so that's very, very nice for privacy. So we'll explore that in a minute too. But I just wanted you to see that. We'll walk inside the bedrooms. Okay, and here you've got a wall that easily fits that sofa. The sofa is a good size. I don't know, that to me looks like 6 or 7 feet. And it's a good size sofa. You've got adequate space for 2 end tables, so you're all good there. You do have a lot of space in the middle here too, so you could have a coffee table like this. They even have chairs here, so you've got a good entertainment area in here. And then of course this does make a lot of sense to have that TV over there. You've got a really, really cool kind of artistic TV table. That's really nice. I like it. So anyway, and since the wall is so tall, I mean, you could have a massive TV in here if you wanted. You could have a much taller TV table if you wanted, but there's really, really a lot of space here to work with. So you do have the balcony here too. And this is, by the way, this is a Juliet balcony. So it's not a true walk-on balcony, but you can open the door and just feel the area. And so if you do have a pet, Remember that we do have the other video that shows the massive dog park, actually dog parks. I would call it 3 dog parks. 3 dog parks. So anyway, you've got that all covered. All right, so this is the great living and living dining area and kitchen. And then now let's go into one of the bedrooms and take a look. So we're looking inside one of the bedrooms. This is on the left side, and that is a beautiful king bed. You have got 2 massive drawers, nightstands, but that's not a nightstand. That's like a mini cabinet. That's a mini dresser. That's really what it is, because it's very wide. And so my point is, you got plenty of space to work with. This is just huge. I'm going to go over here, and again, just plenty of space. It doesn't feel cramped at all. And look at all this wall. You could hang a lot of paintings, photos, whatever, and they have those. They have mirrors as well, so a lot of space to work with. And then over here too, similar. You've got, this looks like perhaps 6 to 7 feet of a dresser. You could put a TV on top of there, or just have art over there too. And then they even have space easily for that chair that's there. So good amount of space. And then you do have the window that's giving you some natural light too. So this is really cool. Let's go into the bedroom or the bathroom, and does have dual sinks. Please note, dual sinks, so that's always a plus. You do have a very large, I think these are 16-inch tiles, like in the other model that we saw. So this is just very majestic. I like this. This also has that